Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are doing great. Well, for me, in the morning, my wisdom warriors, let me tell you now, I have a bone for pick at Christopher Tufton, and I have a bone for pick with Andrew Holness. You know hear what me I tell you now in the morning, yeah? Because me see what is going on at Bustamante Hospital. And at first, people are complaining about Bustamante Hospital. But when you have people coming out and complain, then shut it down and say a lie. The patient them a tell. Me cover Bustamante Hospital before, my wisdom warriors. I'm not the first, But what me I go do? Me I go upload. Me I go re-upload one of them when me did talk about. Yeah, what happened at Bustamante Hospital. I remember all with the water issue. Bustamante Hospital now have water. I remember, my wisdom warriors, me cover it. But Dr. Christopher Tufton has sought to clarify the circumstances surrounding the case at the Bustamante Hospital for children who is in need of surgery for scoliosis. Yeah? Listen to what they must say. They must say, Christopher Tufton, clarify. Let me tell you now. You see, this government, all the time I come out and I talk about the healthcare system. All the time I talk about the healthcare system. But Andrew Holness and Christopher Tufton don't give a shit. Them get money. They get millions and billions of dollars for spend in the healthcare system. But they choose not to. They choose not to. They rather go and build. Remember, say Andrew Holness woman, a real estate developer. And through them make money off of that. They only care about building. But guess what, my wisdom warriors? Some of the building, what them a build, they don't even have staff to put in there. They don't have staff to put in there. It come out in the paper other day about one of them health center where they build up. And them have to lock it down 2 weeks later after Andrew Holness go there, go cut ribbon. That's what I try showing you. So, the way how them for spend the money, they not spend the money. And it has come to my attention that they have surgeons that willing, that is doing all this surgery free, donating to Bustamante Hospital. But where is all this money going? Where's the money going? Where is the money going, my wisdom warriors? Me have to really ask. And when I see these labor right people come out vote for labor. What is wrong with Uno? Uno sicking on the blouse and skirt head? Uno sicking on the head, brother? We have a government who don't care about the healthcare system. I want to out here talk about Andrew Holness and build up infrastructure. Really? I am so pissed in the morning, my wisdom warriors. I am so pissed in the morning. Because a little girl was supposed to do her surgery. And because of the poor condition, this little girl's surgery wasn't done. And then you have Christopher Tufton come out and justify. Hey boy, you for go away, no? You know, say, well, I don't for go away. I don't, you see, my wisdom warriors, Jamaica joke. Jamaica joke, we don't know. You hear me? Jamaican people is real. Hey, sometimes me not understand. I really not understand Jamaican people. Seriously. I really don't understand Uno. Sometimes when I talk like this, Uno vex. Uno can't go in on no feelings when I talk like this. Because Uno knows that the truth me I talk. Jamaican people, Uno need to get up and protest against these things. Not because it not happen to Uno. That means Uno not get involved. No. Because Uno no know when phone they come, I always say it. If we unite, it will be better. If we unite, this little girl for do her surgery. But because of them worthlessness, Seriously, my wisdom warriors. Because the way how the government don't care about Jamaican people. The way how they know they turn them head away from the healthcare system. It is so upsetting. And it really pain me heart, my wisdom warriors. Me always tell you, say, no matter the bill where Andrew bill, you see, if the healthcare system not up to date, that country is a failed country. I'm not stop say so. Uno know Jamaican people say I chew me attack. Uno know that. Uno know that. You have Bustamante Hospital. It is the only children hospital upon the island. Really. And that's how you deal with the hospital. And then you take the money and go over Cornwall Regional Hospital, say you bill up over there, which you don't even sure if you not going to get staff. Like, that don't make no sense. I always come out and I say, my wisdom warriors, it don't make no sense. Why don't you take the money and fix up the hospital them what we have already? But no, they choose not to. They take the money and bill up health center, which they don't even sure where them are going to get staff from. Because all the hospital, they need staff. That's why I'm telling us that Andrew Honest is building for his family. Because the woman, them are real estate developer, my wisdom warriors. Listen, I want to understand. When somebody is a real estate developer, all them are think about is just the building. Just for build the building and make the money. They don't care about nothing else. They don't care about nothing else. And you not get it. You not get it. And you labor rights supporters that is out here supporting Andrew Holness. Yeah? When push come to shove, and Andrew Holness starting foolishness with the Jamaican people, we are all accountable for it. We are all labor rights supporters accountable for it. When Andrew Holness start back in shit, we are all accountable for it. Because out here every friggin' day behind Andrew Holness PP clock and this man ain't doing nothing for the Jamaican people. He's not doing nothing. My wisdom warriors, I have the video them here. Even the surgeon is talking. Yeah? And when I go hear what the man say, me feel so ashamed. Me feel so ashamed. This healthcare system let we down. Christopher Tufton let we down. Andrew Holness let we down. And the amount of money where them get. And still I get donation where we don't know about. And they're still not doing nothing to help our people. And out here I talk about vote for Labour. It look like you drink mad post piss. And you can't win another term. It not go happen. I'm telling you Labour right. Stop command in my comment section and a comment. And stop sending me messages. Because I'm going to start this I'm going to start this You think I start this yet? Me not even touch pan this as yet. Because if me really start this remember me tell you just stop message me pure foolishness. Because is a set of dunce bat. Don't come over here. Don't send me no message through my TikTok and my IG. Don't text me because is a load of shit house. My wisdom warriors, taking this.
Parchment will have to bear the discomfort of her scoliosis a while longer before she's able to live a normal childhood. Her surgery was postponed at the Bustamante Hospital for Children because the operating theatre is not up to standard. It doesn't have a functioning AC unit, making it too hot for surgeries. But during a press briefing Thursday morning, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the procedure can be facilitated elsewhere.
The University Hospital of the West Indies has consented based on discussions and with the lead clinician there, Dr. Carl Bruce, having consulted with his team at UWIC to make an operating theatre available.
The issue is the doctors who are part of a mission from the United States leave the island in 24 hours. Fighting back the tears is Dr. Robert Bradley, who heads the team. Sadly, he says it's too late.
They want to make accommodations, make the decision today to do it tomorrow. That's not right. It's not right for patients.
The health minister declared that Ajane will do her surgery. He wasn't able to say when. It's what worries Ajane's mom. Dr. Bradley and his team performs the surgeries for free. He revealed that the team usually does between 12 and 16 corrective surgeries during their visits. This time, they were only able to do 5.
In regards to my daughter's surgery, I still don't have any clue whether it's going to be done or not.
A visibly upset Dr. Tufton describes it as a perennial problem. The multi-million-dollar high-functioning operating theaters are seemingly not functioning.
I've asked for a draft terms of reference to engage a private entity to coordinate the overall maintenance of the plant of a health facility.
CEO of the hospital, Anthony Wood.
We have 5 operating theaters. Of the 5, 2 are presently 3 works, but 1 of them have high condensation taking place right now. 2 actually not functional.
1 has been out for how long?
Many years.
And that's the other thing.
Dr. Tufton explained that a company was contracted to repair the AC in April. Another company has since been brought in, but the problem remains.
The company that supplies the service has been at it for 5 months without resolution. And then we engage another one who said they can fix it, and in fairness were prompt to assess, but now has bureaucratic hurdles based on their own internal arrangements. And now we're stalled again for 6 more weeks.
TVJ News observed the leadership of the Southeast Regional Health Authority speaking with the senior doctors about the issues they're experiencing. We understand that surgeries like angionas that require more than 4 hours pose significant risk for infection. The hospital, however, says it reviews and provides treatment on a case-by-case basis. Jamila Maitland.
My wisdom warriors. Lord Jesus. Una see Christopher Tufton sit down there, a chat off him out. Una hear Christopher Tufton sitting down there talk about oh it can take place somewhere else? Me no know. Seriously. You guys should be ashamed of yourself. Christopher Tufton, you should be ashamed of yourself. You take your whole of the money gone over Cornwall Regional, boy, you build up this adolescents, this and that. Make sure so you have staff. Because you out here building and you don't have any staff. You don't even have staff in the hospital, them. Like, come on. You just sitting here and justify. And I saw things go. You can't do things like that. Then you have the next man, my wisdom warriors, that talk about machine now work, equipment now work. Phone sitting never work yet. When you come to healthcare system, nothing now work. Nothing now work. A lot of money invest in a healthcare system. Well, my wisdom warriors, a lot of money has been given to Christopher Tufton and Andrew Wellness, but nothing has been done. Nothing has been done. What is going on? Why uno a put wealth over health? I know say uno put phone health over wealth. But why when you come to the Jamaican people, uno put wealth over health? Why is that? My wisdom warriors, listening to Christopher Tufton, uno really thinks that Christopher Tufton care about Jamaican people? No, me have to really ask. Because this man just sit and justify. That's all he's doing. My wisdom warriors, I want to hear from the surgeon himself. My wisdom warriors. So, take in this.
There are some amazing people here at this hospital. The doctors, the nurses, the physicians, the residents, and we take great care of these kids. But there are some clear infrastructure issues here. Okay, I've been coming here for 20 years. There's some very clear infrastructure issues that need to be solved. You know, I made a request 2 months ago when we heard the air conditioning issues. I said we need to fix it, or you need to make accommodations somewhere else. Now the fact that they want to make accommodations, make the decision today to do it tomorrow, that's not right. That's not right for the patients. You know, and my request was ignored.
My wisdom warriors, you hear the surgeon? His request was ignored. You hear that? Infrastructure is very, 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 very poor. You hear what the man has say? This man is a surgeon. You know that this man is doing this free? You didn't know that? Why? Me no know. Me no understand. And you can see he's very passionate about what he does. He's very passionate. This man do all up to 16 surgeries in a day, my wisdom warriors. In a day. And guess what? Only 5 he could do in that day. Because of them poor working condition. Them poor working condition in Bustamante Hospital. And when we bloggers come out and talk about all these things, them vex and say a lie we a tell. Nothing no go so. And then they come out and tell pure lie. But you know what? I am so happy that somebody like this man that travel, because I think America in come from. Yeah? I think America in come from my wisdom warriors can come and tell me what is happening. Me so glad. Me so glad. But guess what? We not go hear more. So hear what I have to say.
So I think that if you know, this is the only children's hospital currently on the hospital in the island. We're probably the most technologically advanced Caribbean island in healthcare wise. We have to be the gold standard. Our hospitals have to be the gold standard. And we have to, people come from other islands so we can take care of their children because we know that our healthcare system is good and we have to maintain that. And so we have to go through the hospitals, make sure you're absolutely correct. The autoclave systems are working. You know, we can only do single instruments now. That's an issue. The air conditionings have to work, and we understand this is an old hospital. There's other things that we need to do to fix it, but these need to be addressed and fixed, and the money needs to go into helping these children. And I come here twice a year. I bring a whole team where we donate thousands of dollars of equipment because we want to help these people. And you guys have to put the infrastructure in place for allow us to do that. It's absolutely necessary.
My wisdom warriors, this man is very passionate. This man is very caring. The man has come there for 20 years. You know hear what the man say? When you hear the man say? The man said they donate, my wisdom warriors. But when me hear him say that, me giggle. Me say poor soul. He not even know say Andrew hate Jamaican people. Him and Christopher Tufton. Andrew Wallace and Christopher Tufton hate Jamaican people. They have to hate Jamaican people for behave the way them behave, my wisdom warriors. They have to hate we. Remember, so we health come before anything, you know, no matter what you are doing in life, you know. If you're not healthy, you know, you can't do certain things, you know. So you have to make sure, say, all the hospital, they have all the equipment. A long time me I talk about it. Long time. But me not see nobody now come out. The nurses, they now come out. The doctor, they now come out. So me thank God for this man. Me thank God for him. Me thank God for him. Because the nurses, they afraid to come out and chat. The doctor, they afraid to come out and chat. Because what? Because they afraid to lose their job. Because they afraid to lose them job. So they rather stay there and see people suffer. That's why I not understand some of the nurses them too. My wisdom warriors, me really not understand the nurses them, and me really not understand the doctor them. Because if you work in a one hospital and you see say they not have certain equipment, the equipment they not working from Wapikill fill up, and you not do nothing about it. Alright, say for example, you tell the head one then who's ever in charge of the hospital, nothing done for months. Uno have a duty of care, you know. Uno have to come out and protest against this. Uno can do it. But really and truly, to me, that's why, you see, me look out of the box, you know. Me look out of the box and me think different. You see, when you care about somebody, my wisdom warriors, and you care about your patient, them, you're going to do all to help them. You don't sit there. Let me tell you something. I see if you're a nurse, let me tell you something. And you know, say the patient never come. And you know in yourself, so they don't have the equipment. Patient never come, but you don't have the equipment. How you going to help that patient? You know, say when you sit down and don't do nothing, you is part of the freaking corruption. No, let me ask you, you don't know that. So you think say, oh, and a phone fault. Yeah, a phone fault too, because you now come out and speak out. Una not coming out and speak out because everybody, oh, my friend, lose my job here because me and my pitney them feel look about, me have this to look about, me have that to look about. No, listen, it is a duty of care. It is a duty of care because anything can happen to uno nurse same way to uno. Remember say uno not have money for travel either, you know, for go abroad. I want to remember good, you know. Anything can happen to uno. And guess what now? Uno go want use equipment, but because no equipment no did it, uno not go get the help either. I want to look upon things that way. I want to look upon things that way. So when uno in a hospital working and uno complain months upon months, years upon years, and uno say nothing is not done, uno need to come together as one and protest. Protest. Mighty God of Daniel, I don't know. I just don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand how Andrew saying love Jamaican people. How Christopher Tufton said they love and them do this, but yet it's just pure problem across the healthcare sector. Pure problem. This is why I'm upset. Why when them come out and build up healthcare center all over Jamaica. Can I see them a build healthcare center? But me upset, and I know why? Because una build up healthcare center and una short of staff in the hospital them. Una build up healthcare center and the other hospital them need equipment, they need resources. Me just not get it. So if una not have resources in the main hospital them, una not have equipment, we not go get equipment, resources and staff to put in these healthcare centers where una build up. It just don't make no sense to me. So one want to build up there down a Morant Bay, Port Maria, one of them my wisdom warriors. Me did read it out over here. Yeah? Andrew Wallace good go cut ribbon and 2 weeks later, them have to lock it down. Them have to lock it down. Them have to send the resident them who live in that area to a different health center. So, you have to understand that Andrew Wallace infrastructure now have nothing to do with us. It's all about money. And when you understand, I don't know. Una go understand when it is too late, when there's nothing else we can do. Jamaica wise up. Jamaica stand up. Jamaica unite. Me come and me encourage you all the time. Unite. Come together. And I want the nurses and doctors. Listen, I want to know when una say there's no equipment and the government is not doing anything. Me want to know for protest. Nurses do protest, you know. Nurses protest. Protest because when una not do nothing, una is a part of the corruption. Sorry to say, but it's just the truth. Listen, me a nurse, you know, I'm a specialist nurse. I'm a specialist nurse. You understand? And why me could never work. Me could never work and in a no poor condition. Me, from the first day me go there, I see problem, me a run. You mad? No, sir, me a run, man. I me a report, you know. Yes, I me a come out and me a talk about it. Yeah, because guess what? This is people life. This is people life. Me could never work in a Jamaican hospital. No, because the condition is poor. Everybody talk about it. A whole heap of nurses me talk to. Whole heap of nurses me talk to from different hospital. Enough things me know what go on. Enough things me actually see what is going on. Listen to me. Yeah? It is really bad. It is really, really bad. And I'm not only Bustamante Hospital. And not only Bustamante Hospital. But guess what? When people come out, patients come out and talk, then they say Christopher Tufton them come out now and them shut down the people, them and make it look like a lie the people them a tell. Jamaican people, if you go around and do one survey and ask the people them in the rural area about the hospital, hey, I wouldn't like Dan Anderson, Paul, to go out in the street and go do a survey. I would like Dan Anderson to go out and do it. I don't know we see. Jamaican people murmur and cuss every single day about the healthcare system. Them tired of it. So when I see labor rights supporters run behind Andrew, me I say them have to confuse. Them have to confuse. Because your healthcare system is rubbish. Listen, me hear Andrew Owens come out a lot of time and I talk about 18 years. Look how long you're in power. 9 years. And you still talk about 18 years? What have you done to help the people them of Jamaica? What have you done? You talk about PNP and do nothing and PNP and this. Listen, in the 90s was the best. was the best in the 90s. Even when Pitney go school, Pitney get free food. Pitney get them bun. Them a get them, what them call it? I can't even remember. Them milk and them kind of something there. Different flavors. Come on. Come on. What you talk about? Boy, my wisdom warriors, me hear Andrew Wallace come out and tell some lie. Tell some lie upon the PNP and me I say, mighty God. Andrew Wallace, you have to stop it. You have to really stop it. All he saying look up to Michael Manley. Look how much school, look how much things Michael Manley doing at the country. What's Siaga do? Come here, try to find what Siaga do. I know me can't say one ratty thing with him do. What Siaga do for Jamaican people? What Siaga do? And you talk about PNP. Talk about Siaga. And that you need to do. Talk about Siaga. You come and come disrespect PNP. You go on like say, I want to create NHT. You have one little dirty style, Andrew Honest. I told a lie, brother. You have a dirty habit. You have a dirty habit. A lying habit. And you need to stop misleading the Jamaican people. As a prime minister, you don't do that. This to show you how far your corruption go, Andrew Honest. You is a lying prime minister. You lie. You lie just to make it in a life. And then you're coming out here talking about people, talking about Jamaican people. You're scammer, you come and you talk about scammers. You don't have the right to talk about scamming. Because you're scamming yourself. You're a scammer yourself. So how can you come out here and talking to people who scam? It just don't make no sense. It's just not make no sense. My wisdom warriors, I go catch you in the next video. Alright? So tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Guys, don't forget, I have another channel. I want to go over there and get me to 1K. Subscribe now. Also, if you want to reach me, you can do so on 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.